I don't know where my 7/16 socket wrench is. So I'm gonna do it with some vice grip pliers. So I'm gonna change them battery posts because they ain't right. And I'm changing them with these because this is all I got right now. These is already loose. Posts that I had bought don't come with this little red and green little thing, so keep that on there. This is a lot easier if you had your 7/16 little socket wrench. But you just screw these screws off so you can get to your wires. Don't be afraid to do this stuff, ladies. It's me, and I can't call people all the time to take money out of my pockets. So I figure out how to do it myself. Just take these wires off. Take the post off like that. The new one come with screws, so you don't have to do that one. This one broke right there. Broke. So I know I needed some new ones. That's probably why that y'all want to connect in there. Screw in there. So you just take the screws off of these screws off. Screw your wires back on there. It takes like 15 minutes. And people be charging arm and a good leg to do this. And when you put it back on, make sure you clean your battery post real good, which mine is not clean. But clean your battery post. Put these wires back. just want to essentially just put this tab over there. Put that tab over there like that. And screw it into, so I have a good connection. I'll put the screw in there. And it's gonna be, I'm gonna put the bolt on the other side, screw it down a little bit, and then get the other side on. So see, I'm gonna screw these bolts back on there. The wires are in between here, underneath there, so it can get a good connection. Make sure before you screw them down completely that those wires are all the way in there. That screw fell. One or two turns on it. By hand. Not screwing on. It's not screwed on the thread quite right. But you do this to both posts. I'll take this. There we go. This screw really don't want to screw in right. It's on there, but it's not right. That's better. Okay, so both of these wires are inside there. good. And I got them on there, so now I can tighten them. Like I said, this will be much easier if I had my socket wrench, but I don't have my stuff is packed away. Show y'all how to do an oil change on this truck too. It's my 2004 Ford Ranger. Absolutely love my truck. But I decided I was going to do a video of this because a lot of times we do call mechanics and stuff to do stuff for us that we can totally do ourselves. With ease, like not even with a headache behind it. This whole process maybe take 10 or 15 minutes. I'm going a little slower because I don't have my socket wrench, but you just tighten these good enough so these wires back here ain't falling out. And once you got that together and you change the other one, you hook it back up. So that's how that one look. You do the other one the same way. After you get both of your posts on the other side, post on this side, and you hook them back up. Hey, how you doing? Good. How you doing today, Miss Evelyn? Alright, you tighten it up. That one over there is tightened up. Got no little hammer to beat it down now. smooth as it's gonna go. I gotta get something. Let me see. Don't judge me. Use what you got. That don't look like it's going nowhere without it being tightened. But it ain't all the way down on that post. I mean, it'll still crank. Anyway, I ain't gonna let y'all watch me beat the hell out this thing. And after you get the post on, you see if it's gonna crank. Since you heard it crank, you know you did your job.